Rianirira ria president ria kuregeria mawatho mamwe maria maragathikirwo bururi ni undu wa COVID-19 riambiriirie gucora mbica ya uria bururi ugwithomithia guikarania na murimu uyu. Kanjo ya dini ikiambiriria na guthurima mawatho maria maragathikirwo magongona ma mahoya.
The indications given by the president, we have decided to transition to phase 2 of phased reopening as from Friday the 2nd October 2020.
Gatagati ka mawatho maya ma gicunji gia keri gia kuhingura nyumba cia ihoero ni gwitikiria andu makiritie miaka 65 na aria mari thi wa miaka 6 guthie nyumba cia ihoero. Riri kanitha ihetwo mathaa meri ma gutabania magongona ma mahoya o mawatho ma COVID-19 magitiagwo.
We will also allow group meetings and special services for youth and special groups, provided they follow the other criteria of social spacing and duration.
Magongona-ini ma mathiko, kanjo ino igitikiria andu 50 gukuhiriria mbirira, kanitha ikiruta igongona irima-ini, muigana wa aria metikiriitio mathiko-ini ikirugamira andu 200, namo magongona ma mathiko makiheo mathaa meri.
Funerals still continue to present the biggest danger in the gathering of prayer. We love our dear ones who have passed away, but we do not want the funeral to be the cause for other funerals we can avoid.
Ona gutuika riboti ya kanjo ino ironanio utiiku wa mawatho nyumba-ini cia ihoero na gicunji kia 95 hari igana kuma riria mirango ya nyumba ici yahingurirwo, ateti aria marahuthira magongona ma mathiko kwendia mito yao ya uteti mategutia mawatho maria maheanitwo maigitwo ndurumeni-ini ya kanjo ino.
We have unfortunately witnessed not only a total flouting of all COVID guidelines, rules and protocols, especially from the political class.
Kanjo ino riu irendekithia umenyereri munene riri mawatho mamwe maregeretio niguo bururi uhote kuhonia nguraro iria ciumanite na gutamba kwa murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi Wanyamu.